Okay, tell me one thing guys. How many times someone have asked you which phone are you using, where did you buy this, or which laptop should I get? We all love recommending products to family and friends. But here's the twist. While you have been giving free suggestions, other people actually making real money doing the exact same thing. And right now, it's the best possible time to start. Because Amazon's Great Indian Festival and Flipkart Big Billion Sale are currently live. Millions of people are shopping online every day during these sales. If you play smart, you can make thousands of rupees just by sharing the right link at the right time. When was the last time someone in your family group asked, send me a link for a best earbud? You probably goes to Amazon, copy the link and share it, right? But guess what guys? You earn nothing. Amazon and Flipkart makes money here. But here's the opportunity. With affiliate marketing, every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. For example, if a product costs 1.5 lakh and someone purchases it from your link, you could earn up to 1.5k to 3000 rupees without selling it yourself. And that's the money you are leaving on the table. And now you guys might think, isn't it affiliate marketing difficult? Does Amazon need approvals or some special account? Yes, that's true. For Amazon, it's not automatic. You need to apply for approval. During the process, you'll be asked to mention which platform you'll be sharing your affiliate links on, like YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Once submitted, ExtraPay reviews your request. Traditional affiliate programs are complicated. Amazon asks for websites, approvals, Flipkart doesn't even approve easily, and the commission rates are also small. That's why many people never get started, but here's the good news, that's an easier way. So today I found an application called ExtraPay, and it makes affiliate program as simple as sending a WhatsApp message. Here's how it works. Download it from Play Store or App Store, create an account with your phone number or your Google account. There are no approvals required, and you don't have to wait. Instantly get access to 200 plus stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, AGARO, Nykaa, Samsung, OnePlus and many more. So instead of wasting time applying for individual program, you have one application that connects you to everything. And here's the magic guys. Open the application, choose a product, tap generate link, share the link on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, anywhere you are at. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission and this is real cash. No points or coupons, you can withdraw it directly into your bank account or UPI. Imagine your cousin is buying a fridge during the sale, your uncle is buying a new phone and your friends want sneakers. You don't just send them the random links, you send the earning links. They pay the same price, but you get a cut over that, which is real money. In this application, there are some extra features which can boost your earning. One of them is the app highlights trending deals and flash sales. These are already popular, so the chances of people buying through your link are higher. There's another thing, refer and earn. Share your referral link, and when your friends use the app to earn, you get a 10% lifetime bonus on their earning. That's a passive income. Imagine 10 friends earning and you making money without even lifting your finger. And the last one is the support of multiple stores. Whether it's fashion, electric, beauty or home appliances, every major category is covered here. And now the question why I'm making this video. See, festive sales are the golden season for this. Think about it. People don't buy one item. They buy multiple things, clothes, smartphones, TVs, kitchen items, gifts for Diwali. During this time, you don't even need to sell. People are already shopping. You just need to share the trending deals and links and your contacts does the rest. This is why many people make the majority of the affiliate income in the festival seasons. And let me give you some tips to earn more. Share the link in the family WhatsApp groups, everyone shopping during sales, use Instagram stories or Facebook post trending deals with your link. Focus on high demand products like smartphones, fashion or festival offers. And here's the biggest convenience. You don't need to open ExtraPay and search inside the app for every product. If you are already browsing on Myntra, Flipkart or any other site and you like the product, just tap share and select ExtraPay. Instantly your affiliate earning links is created and ready to share. Simple, fast and no extra step. And don't spam guys, just share the deals which are genuinely useful. People will thank you for it and you'll earn too. So friends, this festival season, don't just shop, earn while others shop. Download the ExtraPay app from the link given in the description below. Start sharing the links today and watch how quickly your income grows. If this video gave you a new idea, make sure you like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such videos. Meanwhile, happy shopping. I'll see you guys in the next video.